In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your HP LaserJet Pro M252dw series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. Doesn't really matter which one. And into Google search, you want to go ahead and just search for HP Color LaserJet Pro M252dw printer support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results, you come back with an HP support page that says HP Color LaserJet Pro M252dw. Go ahead and open that up. And now on this page, you just want to scroll down and there should be an HP Color LaserJet Pro M252 printer series full software and drivers. Go ahead and download that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file to begin extracting it. And if you receive a user account control prompt, should be from a verified publisher, Hewlett-Packard Company, launches HP installer, select yes. And then you just want to proceed with the on-screen installer here if getting it configured for your device. If you're using a wired or wireless connection, for example, just follow along with the on-screen directions here. If you want to install optional software, you can, and then just select next, and then proceed with the end user license agreements, and then you just would select next again. And then again, just follow along with the on-screen directions at this point, and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.